Hey everyone, is your IDM download button not appearing? Here's a quick way to potentially restore it in just a few minutes. Steps to re-add the IDM extension. Open your web browser. This process works similarly in Chrome, Edge, and other Chromium-based browsers. In the address bar, search for IDM extension along with your browser name. Look for the official Internet Download Manager website or the extensions page on your browser's official web store, for example, Chrome Web Store for Chrome. Once on the extension page, click Add to Chrome or your browser's equivalent. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Select Add Extension. Wait a moment for the installation to complete. Once installed, the IDM extension should be active again. If the button still doesn't appear, try restarting your browser. This should restore the IDM download button in your browser. If the issue persists, checking your browser's extension settings or ensuring IDM is properly installed on your computer may help. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. See you next time.